Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share something super cool with you all today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get YouTube up and running on CarPlay using an awesome new app called CarTube Plus. If you've ever wanted to watch your favorite YouTube videos right on your car's screen, then you're definitely going to want to check this out. CarTube Plus is a brand new app that's fully compatible with the latest version of iOS and Android. What's really amazing about it is that it allows you to stream any YouTube video directly to your CarPlay screen, which is something a lot of us have been wanting for a long time. Whether you're stuck in traffic waiting for someone, or just want some entertainment while you're parked, this app has you covered. But remember, safety first. Please only use this when parked. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it hard to install? Do I need to jailbreak my device, or do anything complicated? The good news is that installing CarTube Plus is completely straightforward. You don't need any special skills or tech knowledge, and there's absolutely no need to jailbreak your device or mess with any risky modifications. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you get it up and running without any hassle. So if you're as excited about this as I am, keep watching the video. I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know to get CarTube Plus on your iOS or Android device. Let's dive in and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for CarTube Plus and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. In no time, everything will be set up and ready to go. It's quick and easy, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying the app with zero hassle. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.